Hello everyone. Can you monetize Creative Commons videos? Yes, you can monetize Creative Commons videos. But hi, my name is Vinod and you are watching VTechTube. I create YouTube related videos. If you are in this track, please hit the red color subscribe button below and press the bell notification to all so that when I post new videos you will get notified. Let's get started. What is Creative Commons? If you searched and watching this video, I presume you know little about Creative Commons. If you don't, let me explain. YouTube has two types of license. One is standard license, another one is Creative Commons. Standard license, as per YouTube terms, standard license is the default setting when you upload a video. Here, no one can re-upload your YouTube video. If someone does, you can give a copyright claim. Creative Commons, you hold or you retain the copyright for the particular video. You leverage the YouTube community or YouTube world to reuse your videos. There are two processes involved in monetizing the Creative Commons videos. First, finding the real Creative Commons. For me, this is the biggest challenge because in YouTube under Creative Commons, 90% or 95% of the videos has copyrighted material. Someone downloaded from the copyrighted material and re-uploaded under Creative Commons license. If you download those videos, you will be get caught in future. If you don't know how to find real Creative Commons, I already made a detailed video on this. I leave the link in the description below and leave an iCard here and you can check it out after this video. Let's assume you got the real Creative Commons video and you're trying to monetize it. Can you re-upload the video as it is? No. Don't do this. If you re-upload the video as it is to YouTube in your channel, YouTube will analyze the original video and make your video as a duplicate content. So here comes the question. How can you monetize the Creative Commons videos? Yes, you can monetize it by transforming the original video which is downloaded from the YouTube to another video. I suggest you transform the video by adding narration to it and say how the things are connected in the video, or if it is possible you can have a face cam and you can show your presence on it. If the YouTube algorithm compares the original video and your video will be different from the original video and you have an edge to monetize your video. The ultimate aim is you should transform the video. You should add educational or entertainment value to this video to get the video monetized. Keep that in mind. You are using someone else's video and be fair with that. Like, you shouldn't be defaming them or you shouldn't portray them in a negative way. I have a question. Which license you choose while uploading this video? Will you choose standard license or Creative Commons license? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. Hope I delivered a useful message on Creative Commons monetization. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll catch you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.